Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best lunchbox flat on the market, the FlowFly Small Insulated Lunchbox in Heather Gray. If you're someone who needs a reliable, compact, and stylish lunch bag for work, school, or outdoor activities, this might just be the perfect companion for your meals. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality. The FlowFly lunchbox is crafted from highly durable 600D polyester on the outside, which means it can handle daily wear and tear without losing its shape or style. Inside, it's lined with food-grade aluminum foil, providing excellent thermal insulation. To boost the insulation even more, the bag is padded with a thick 5mm polyethylene foam layer, ensuring your food stays fresh, hot, or cold for hours on end. One of the standout features of this lunch bag is its portability. It's compact but spacious enough, measuring about 9.5 inches in length, 6.3 inches in width, and 3.5 inches in height. This size makes it ideal for fitting a regular meal box, snacks, utensils, and even a small drink like a carton of juice. Plus, it slips easily into backpacks, handbags, or briefcases, making it convenient for both kids and adults on the go. The soft grip handle adds to the comfort of carrying it around. Another great detail is the inner mesh pocket. This compartment is perfect for separating your ice pack or tableware from your main meal, helping to keep everything organized and in place. Cleaning the bag is a breeze since you just need to wipe it with a damp cloth, thanks to the premium fabric construction. Functionality-wise, this lunchbox really shines. It's thermal insulated to keep your meals at the right temperature, leak-resistant to avoid messy spills, and lightweight enough to carry without adding bulk. The bag is also freezer-safe, meaning you can pre-chill it with ice packs to extend the cooling period, perfect for warmer days or longer outings. The FlowFly lunchbox doesn't just stop at being practical. Its simple, elegant heather gray color and classic square shape make it suitable for everyone, whether you're a student, a professional, a camper, or simply packing lunch for your kids. It's designed to be multi-purpose, accommodating sandwiches, snacks, drinks, or even temperature-sensitive items like certain medicines. Safety and health considerations are also covered. This product is free from BPA, phthalate, lead, vinyl, latex, gluten, and other harmful chemicals, giving you peace of mind about what's in contact with your food. The zipper closure is sturdy, securing your items well inside the bag. If you're wondering about the weight, the lunchbox is incredibly light, weighing only around 4.2 ounces, so it won't weigh you down. It's recommended for ages 3 and up, making it versatile for a wide range of users. In summary, the FlowFly Small Insulated Lunchbox is a well-made, thoughtfully designed, and highly functional lunch bag that offers great insulation, portability, and durability in a sleek package. Whether you need it for daily office lunches, school meals, or outdoor adventures, this bag promises to keep your food fresh and your routine hassle-free. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews and insights. See you next time.